We are picking lemon. Look at Auntie Rose and Auntie Concy. They are picking lemon. This is lemon tree. Lemon tree is for this lady here. And she's being very generous. Yeah. This is actually Auntie Rose's mom's home. Yeah. This is where her mom used to live. And Rose also used to live here. Yeah. So look at what we have picked so far. This is what we have picked. A full bag. Beautiful. Can you see how gigantic they are? Gigantic lemon. Beautiful, beautiful. Look. Big, big, big. Lovely. And they are so juicy. Full of juice. You know. Let me show you the homestead. The homestead. One of the Mule villages home. One of the homes in Lumule. And look at the estate. The kind of grass thatched houses they have. Yeah, mango. Can you see mango trees everywhere? Mango trees, and you see how large the compound is, how wide, big. You know, I told you. This is sorghum. Yeah, this is actually sorghum plant. Sorghum. This is sorghum. If I can let you see it, look at it. Look at it. How it looks. This is sorghum. This is still fresh. So they are going to wait until it matures properly, and when it dries up, that's when they will chop it off, and then polish it, and then grind it for bread. You know, like one kabi. This is kabi. Sorghum is kabi. Okay. Till later. Bye.